Hello. If you're watching this, just for your information, I just thought I would document my travel on a piece of junk. So, let me fill you in on the story. My poor van over there, missing a hood, a headlight just tacked in with a welder, rusting out on the bottom, windshield leaks like crazy. It's about shot. So, I figure, dummy me, needs a truck. But I ain't got the money to buy one. So, put a few $100s together, found the cheapest truck I could possibly find. A friend of mine had it. Well, he didn't need it. I figured I did. He didn't want it anymore. I figured I wanted it. He wasn't about to fix it. I figured, why not? I'll fix it. I had some money. He didn't have that money. So we struck up a deal, and I bought it. Sat about 100 feet away from the house or so. So I figured, drag it over here. Finally got it drug over here. Took some work because I didn't have tires that held air. Found two finally. And then managed to get two of them to hold air for the duration of pulling it 100 feet. And then, of course, they went promptly flat. So I put jack stands under it to keep it up off the ground. And finally put jack stands under the front of it today. I figure I'll check the starter and make sure the starter works. If it does, then the engine's froze up, locked up. Now this truck sat for, I'm going to say 5, maybe 6 years. So it's going to be a hassle to get it done. But the good part of it is the body's not too bad, the frame's straight. It needs some work, but yeah, I think it can be done easy enough, cheap enough. So I'll check it out. I figure the engine's probably locked up through a bearing or something. It might be fixable, might not, I don't know. But the rest of the truck will be fixable, so another engine wouldn't be a big deal. Let's see, other than dents, dings, a little bit of rust out, it's not too bad a shape. One of the doors is crooked, needs to be fixed. Engine locked up, needs exhaust system, tires all the way around, maybe some good wheels. Nice paint job. And then electrical work. Probably some plumbing. Yeah, it'll need brakes. Some brake line mob, maybe. And then I'll do some interior work, make it decent. So I'll probably go through it, change all the fluids, rear axle, make sure all the bearings are good. Got some 20-inch wheels, and I got some 17-inch wheels, so I figure I'll fix the 17s up, make them nice, put them on there, then get the 20s fixed and looking good and put them on there. Maybe a lift kit to make the 20s fit a little better. Clean up, polish the headlights, little things. I just figured I'd document this, let everybody see what I'm doing, tell me I'm an idiot, you know, things I already know, and go from there. Well, thanks for watching.